Are you struggling with debt in retirement? You're not alone. Over 60% of American retirees are still paying off loans and credit card balances, right when they should be enjoying life. But there's a way out. In the next few minutes, I'll share practical strategies to help you break free from debt and reclaim your retirement. Let's get started. Remember, debt is not just about numbers. Debt can weigh you down emotionally too. But it's not an insurmountable challenge. With the right plan, you can turn the tide. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with simple strategies to regain control and truly enjoy your retirement. Debt often sneaks in with unexpected medical bills or necessary home repairs. Credit cards become a lifeline, but they can also become a trap. Did you know over 60% of retirees are still dealing with credit card payments? And healthcare for a retired couple can top $300,000. No wonder it feels like quicksand. But there's good news. Debt doesn't have to control you. With a plan in place, you can flip the script. Step 1. Assess your financial situation. The first step is to get a clear picture of your financial landscape. List all your debts, mortgage, credit cards, medical bills, and stack them against your income. Once it's all there in front of you, you'll know exactly what you're working with, and from there, you can take action. Think of it like turning on a light in a dark room. Now you can see the path forward. Step 2. Choose debt repayment strategy. Now, let's talk about paying it off. There are two popular methods, the snowball and the avalanche. The snowball method hits your smallest debts first for quick wins. It's like building momentum, starting with small debts and gradually tackling larger ones. Avalanche tackles the highest interest rates to save you more in the long run. Both methods work. Just pick what feels right for you. The key is to start now, one debt at a time. Step 3. Cutting unnecessary expenses. Next, look at your monthly expenses. Are there small things you can cut back on without sacrificing your quality of life? Maybe you can cancel unused subscriptions or eat more home-cooked meals instead of dining out. These small changes can add up to significant savings over time. Step 4. Increasing your income. Sometimes the best way to tackle debt is to increase your income. Remember, even in retirement, your skills and experience are valuable. Consider part-time work or freelancing to turn skills and experience into income, which can go a long way toward easing financial stress. Step 5. Seek professional help. If you're feeling overwhelmed, don't hesitate to seek help. A financial advisor or credit counselor can provide personalized guidance and create a tailored plan for you. Many nonprofits offer these services for free or at a low cost, especially for retirees. Getting expert advice can give you the clarity and confidence you need to move forward. Remember, you're not alone in this. Many retirees face similar challenges. By taking these steps and staying persistent, you can reclaim your retirement and live the life you deserve. It's time to break free from debt and embrace a brighter future. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more tips on managing your money in retirement.